If you're looking to take your English skills to the next level, this newly released AI software called Use of English might be the perfect tool for you. But before you dive in, here are 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing tool. Stick around till the end for some key insights that could make all the difference in how you use this software. First off, you can try Use of English completely free. Just hit the first link below to get started. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The main selling point of Use of English AI is its ability to help users enhance their English language skills, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to fine-tune your writing. One of the standout features is its smart grammar checker. It goes beyond basic spelling corrections, offering context-driven suggestions that help improve your sentence structure, flow, and overall readability. This isn't just about fixing errors, it's about making your English sound natural and fluent. Another great feature is its vocabulary enhancer. It suggests synonyms and alternatives based on your writing style. So, if you're struggling to find the right word, this AI has got you covered. It also offers in-depth explanations of word usage, which is perfect for learners who want to understand why a particular word or phrase works better in a given context. Use of English also shines with its ability to adapt to different tones and writing styles. Whether you need to write a formal email, a casual blog post, or a creative piece, the AI tailors its suggestions to match the tone you're going for. This customization makes it a versatile tool for anyone, whether you're a student, a business professional, or a content creator. The software doesn't just stop at suggestions, it gives real-time feedback, which makes it feel like you're working with a personal writing coach. As you type, it flags potential issues and guides you on how to fix them immediately, saving you time and frustration. One thing I really appreciate is the seamless integration with other platforms. Whether you're writing in Google Docs, an email, or even on social media, Use of English can be easily integrated to help you with your writing no matter where you are. Another reason this software stands out is the AI's ability to recognize your progress. As you continue to use the tool, it learns from your writing style, helping you improve over time. This makes it more than just a one-time fix, it evolves with you, making your writing skills better the more you use it. Finally, let's talk about accessibility. The software is user-friendly with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you won't have any trouble navigating the system or understanding how it works. So after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Use of English is a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their language skills quickly and efficiently. It's not just for beginners, it's a tool that adapts to you as you grow. And remember, if you're curious to try it out for yourself, you can grab a completely free trial through the first link below. Plus, I've got other recommended AI software that can help you boost productivity and improve your skills. Check them out in the description.